Good morning, year one. We are back with a new lesson. So for this lesson, I want you to get your whiteboard and a marker or a paper and a pencil ready. I hope you're ready now. Now let's recap what we have learned last week. Now looking at this picture, tell me which toy is on the left. Good job, it's a robot. Which toy, now look at this picture, which toy is on the right? Good job, it's a toy train. Where is the cheeky parrot? Look at the picture and tell me, where is the cheeky parrot? It's on the top. Excellent. Now, here is a fish. The fish has moved. How much did the fish move? Now put your thinking cap on and think, how much did the fish move? Okay, so that is what we are going to learn today. What turn did the fish move? How much did it move? So, the learning objective for today is recognize and describe the movement. To achieve this learning objective, we need to know how to make a whole and a half turns. We also need to identify the whole, half, and quarter turns made by an object. Now listen to my instructions and follow carefully. Stand up and face the laptop or the computer. Now start turning from that spot until you are back at your starting position. I hope you all have done this. What could you see in front of you before you have started turning? Very good. A laptop or a computer or any other thing that was in front of you. What could you see once you have turned all the way around and back to the starting position? Good job, the same object. So when you make a whole turn, return around and come back to the same position, that is called a whole turn. Now look at this car. The car is going to take a turn from the red spot. It's taking a turn and coming back to the same red spot. That means the car took a whole turn. This car previously made a whole turn. What sort of turn did it make this time? Look at the car. The car again is starting from the red spot, but it's not coming back to the red spot. So what sort of turn is this? Good job. It's a half turn. After turning half, the car is facing the opposite direction to where it started. The car previously made a half turn. What sort of turn did it make this time? Look at the shaded part in the circle and tell me, what turn did the car make this time? Excellent, it's a quarter turn. The car made a quarter turn this time. Now, let's work together. Get your whiteboard and a marker ready. I hope you're ready now. Draw a ring around the pictures that show the correct amount of turn for a teddy and a rocket. Now, for a teddy, I want you to show which teddy shows a half turn. Which of these four shows a half turn? Well done. This one, as this one shows the opposite direction. Which one shows for the rocket a whole turn? Out of these four rockets, which one made a whole turn? Excellent. This one, as it comes back to the same position. Now draw a tree and an ice cream the way after they have made a whole, half, and a quarter turn. Now for a tree, I want you to draw here A tree that makes a whole turn. After making a whole turn, how does a tree look like? You can pause the video and do it. Excellent. The tree comes back to after taking the whole turn, the tree looks like this. How does a tree look when it makes a half turn? Excellent. It shows the tree in the opposite direction. Well done. Now look at the ice cream. I want you to draw an ice cream when it takes a quarter turn. How does an ice cream look after a quarter turn? Excellent. It, it looks like this. What about if an ice cream takes a half turn? Amazing. Now, your activity for today is you need to take your activity book 1A, look for the page number 36 and do the activity. After you finish the activity, come back for the play. Circle a hand which made a whole turn. A, B, C or D. Good job. It's A. Circle a unicorn which made a half turn. Is it A, B, C or D? Excellent. Circle a toy which made a quarter turn. A, B, C, D. Excellent. It's B. Good job. You all are doing good. Have a nice week ahead and bye bye.